Hakahnyo tarik Nohprah 8,000 phulai ka Donbosco Technical School Shillong kalayo ban sakhi ka jingrakhe Kmen yu Soh Jingjop jong Khynnah kiba pule hakani ka shlem ai jinghikai hakani ka sngi lasa miki certificate ki Khynnah kiba la pyndep ki jingpule short term course kom ka Carpentry, Electrician, Fashion Designing, Cake Specialized, Bakery, Solar Lighting, Plumber, Welder but kiwei de. La sakhi ekani ka sngi de ki nonghikai, ki nongtrei joka Dbts, pat ki Khynnah bawan shah hikai hakani ka shlem. La sdang ekani ka sngi de ka jingpule na ka ktien ublei bat ka jingduai, board sa ka jingpriang Nohprah. Da Father Arcadius Puwein Principal joka Dbts. Hadirin kata Father Saje, Director joka Dbts, ila ay mense miki Khynnah bikin long barabor ki bas ngoret bat ki bayai minat hakinu kinu ki kam bakile.
Banrilin Karluni. Banrilin Karluni. Bakit bok nongthar. Bakit bok nongthar. Balyate kodo karbudan. Balyate kodo. Balambo lindo maulong. Ibagodo Shisha Syndrome.
For the rector, for the sakhi, who gave the sign for us to be here, and also our manager, one of us who is also here with us, for the Rakhe, also is here with us. So thank you so much for giving your time for our trainees who will be receiving the certificate. And dear trainees, students, I am so happy to welcome you for this certification day. First of all, if you remember from the beginning, we are scared whether we will be able to go ahead or not with the certification, or will we get approval from NSDC, will we get a certificate or not from them, because so many processes are there. You will not know as a students, but the staff will know the whole process. There are so many things that they have to do. The only thing you will know is that they have been asking you your documents from time to time, and some of you also get fed up, yes or no? So many documents that we have to ask from you. And sometimes it's not clear. We ask you for the second time. I'm sure at the beginning you said, why they are asking my certificate all the time? No? From that perspective, you knew.
The first place I want to congratulate all of you. I'm sure today you are sitting here with a lot of joy or happiness or a lot of sadness. How are you sitting? Your face are little very tense, very sad. Are you sad, people? Are you sad? No, you should be happy, isn't it? You should be happy because you are going to receive something, a recognition of your hard work. Okay, and so you should be happy. And from today onwards, you don't have to go and tell everybody, and so you should be happy. And I also want to congratulate Arcadius Principal and the entire team, those who worked hard to get this certification. Your certificate is going to be valid, as far as I explained to you, all through the country. So it's not something that Donbosco would give, which may not be outside Meghalaya. But I only said it was not an easy thing to get the certification, but they have done, and they came for evaluation, and you are cleared, and so you have been positive. Wonderful, everything's good. Now, what's the next step? I have just 2-3 points to tell you. One is, as you enter into the work, realizing that the job market is so difficult, so scarce. To get a job is so difficult. You are something that you can stand on, and you are something which I am sure.